and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today is another Stitch Fix unboxing. This is the third Stitch Fix unboxing that I've done. Well, actually, technically this is the fifth Stitch Fix unboxing that I've done on my channel. I've done 2 already that are my own Stitch Fix unboxings, and then we have 2 that my husband did on this channel. So there are a total of 4 Stitch Fix unboxings currently on my channel if you'd like to check those out. This is the 5th, but this is my 3rd box. I'm very excited. In the last 2 boxes, so my first 2 boxes, I did keep everything in the box. Will it happen again? We shall find out. I have not opened this yet. My husband's last box, he also kept everything in his box, so if you want to see what a 5 out of 5 guy box is, you're welcome to go check that out. I will leave it linked down below. But this is my 3rd one. This is my box for the month of May, and I am so excited to open it because, again, I've kept everything in my previous boxes, and some of those pieces have become my absolute favorite things in my wardrobe. I will give a little brief description outline of what Stitch Fix is and how it works, but for those of you who don't want to hear that, already know all of that information, I will have a timestamp on the screen right now so that you can jump to that part of the video if all you want to know is what I got in my box for the month of May. But for everybody else who would like to know just kind of a little bit about how Stitch Fix works, Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service. You pay $20 a month to Stitch Fix, and a stylist who works for Stitch Fix curates, puts together a 5-piece box. So there are 5 fashion items inside of my box. They use a style guide that you as the customer fills out on their site. It includes sizing, preferences, color, do's and don'ts. It includes so much information. So you put together a style guide that your stylist from Stitch Fix uses to curate a box. So they send you a box. You do have to pay the $20 styling fee, but that $20 styling fee gets applied to anything that you choose to keep. So you do have a price guide for everything inside of your box, and what you do is you pay for anything you choose to keep. If you don't want to keep anything, you send it all back, but you do lose that $20. The other thing is that if you choose to keep every single item in your box, you do get a 25% discount on the total price. So there is a benefit to keeping everything, and sometimes it works out that it's cheaper to keep everything than to send one item back. If by the end of the video you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself, I will leave a referral link down below. What that referral link does is it gives you $25 and it gives me $25. So the $25 will cover your first styling fee, so you won't have to pay any money for your first box. It makes it kind of risk-free because if you get your box, decide you don't want anything, you send it all back, you don't waste any money. If you choose to keep something, then that $25 gets applied to whatever you choose to keep. So the referral link will be down below if you'd like to use it. You can use anybody's though, but I would recommend using anybody's referral link if you would like to sign up, because you do get to that $25 that you would otherwise have to spend. Without further ado, let me open this box. I have had it since yesterday. I'm so excited. One other thing I'll mention real fast. Last month I did exchange something. So I had a pair of shorts that I thought were too big. So I purchased them, but then exchanged them for a lower size, and it worked really, really well. It was super easy. I got the replacement pair of shorts within a week and they fit great. So in case anybody is keeping up with these unboxings, I had absolutely 0 issues exchanging for a different size, and it worked really, really well. Okay, we're opening the box up. I didn't really mention this, and you're probably not gonna really be able to tell, but I think this box is smaller than my previous 2 boxes. It's pretty compact. Oh, something else. For the first time ever, I made specific requests to my stylist. So before I gave them free reign, I said, basically send me whatever you want, but this time I included a note to my stylist. I told her some things that I was interested in. So I was interested in potentially receiving high-waisted shorts, more tops related to warmer weather, so tank tops, stuff like that, because it's getting very hot here in Southern Oregon, and also potentially blazers. So versatile blazers that I could pair with a lot of different outfits as something, I think I said something about that. So it'll be interesting to see if she used any of my sort of requests. I have no idea. The note disappeared, so I assumed that she got it. It'll be interesting to see. Officially, without further ado, let's open the box up. So we do have the pamphlet right here. This contains the pricing guide and the styling guide, but I won't look at that yet because I like to be surprised. And then we also have the return envelope. It is free shipping both ways, so it makes it super easy. And we have my stack of clothing. There's also another piece of paper in here. I'm not gonna look at it because I'm not sure what it is. And then we've got my relatively small stack of clothing. I'm excited. Okay, So I'm gonna just open it up and start pulling them one at a time off of the top. So first up, we have a tank, which is what I requested. I'm gonna definitely try this on. It's probably not something I would have picked off of the shelf, but it does look good with my hair right now, the green. This is, again, probably not something I would have picked off of the shelf for myself, but it is really nice, lightweight. I do like the front right here. So, I mean, I'm not totally mad about this. I'm definitely excited to try it on, but again, probably isn't something I would have been super stoked to pick off the shelf. Next, we have, ooh, that's kind of cute. This is definitely something I would wear to work, I think. It's definitely a very bright, I don't totally love the pattern. It reminds me of the dress that was in my very, very first Stitch Fix that I didn't love the pattern on, but I think I like this a little bit better. I also like that it has a tie up here and then a little opening right underneath the tie. This looks like something I could definitely wear to work, so I'm excited to try that on. Ooh. Okay, so we do have a pair of shorts in here. I love this color. These are by Liverpool. I haven't been reading any of the brands, but these are by Liverpool. These are the Johnny Short in the shade light green, size 4. So, okay, all right. They do look high-waisted, so I'm definitely excited to try those on. Let me read what these are real fast. So this very bright shirt, this is by the brand West Key. This is the Paulila tie detail knit top, orange red, size medium. And then we have the green one. This is by the brand LUK, or the Rachel Halter top in the shade green and size medium. Okay. So next we have, oh, this must be a blazer. Ooh, okay. This is really cute. This is exactly what I was looking for. So, oh, the other thing I mentioned that I wanted was quarter length sleeve, which that's what this looks like. So that's perfect. That way I can wear winter or, you know, summertime. This is by Skies and Blue, the Amande collarless blazer in the size medium. Looks like this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. So this is a really, really pretty navy blue blazer with a, you mean you're not gonna be able to see it when you're wearing it, but it has the striped inside. I'm really, really excited about this. We do have, oh nope, these are faux pockets. I was gonna say we have actual pockets. Not really, these are faux on both sides, I assume. Oh no, this is a real pocket. So why is this one a faux pocket? I don't understand. Why make a pocket that you can't use? I don't understand that. Okay, I'm excited to try that on. And then finally we have a pair of pants, I think. Perfect. These definitely look really busy, but paired with a bright top, I think that they could look really nice. They do have pockets again, which I love. These look like they might be too big for me though. These are in the size 6. These are by the brand Tribal. These are the Fia front pocket printed pant in the size 6. These, I have a feeling, are gonna be too big. Work pants I usually get in a size 4. I don't remember if I specified that on the site, probably not. So it's probably my own fault. So I'm excited to try it on. Not sure how well they're gonna fit. So I have all of my items. Upon initial glance, there's nothing, the blazer. I'm really excited about the blazer. Everything else I feel a little, we'll see once I try them on. In previous boxes, I have been over the moon excited about a lot of items in them. So we'll see. This is my pricing guide and my style guide right here. So my style guide always comes in this little card right here. And we've got all of the items on the inside and different outfits to pair with them. We do have a note from my stylist. I do have the same stylist. Okay. Nice little note from my stylist. I do have the same stylist, Lindsay. We've opened the style guide. Let's take a look at prices, shall we? Okay, my box total is a little bit more than it was previously. The first thing on my list is the blazer. Let me bring it back over because I threw it on my bed. The blazer, again, is the thing I am most excited about. This is the most, well, there's 2 things that are the same price. So this is $68. I think that if this fits really well, I would be willing to pay $68 for a blazer that I could wear all of the time. So I'm not too mad about that. It is, you know, $68. It's kind of a lot. Next, we have the shorts. These also very expensive. Liverpool. I'm pretty sure my husband actually got a pair of Liverpool pants that he ended up keeping, so that's exciting. These are also $68. Ugh, $68 for a pair of shorts. I said this last time with the last pair of shorts, the ones that I ended up keeping last time and exchanging, and they worked out really well. If these fit really well and I really like them, I'll keep them. I really love this color. This is one of my favorite colors. $68 though is pretty steep, so we'll see. So the next thing on here, the Rachel halter top, the green one. This guy right here is $38. We'll see. Again, only the blazer is something I'm just super excited about in this box so far, so I have a feeling this is going to be the first one that I actually send stuff back in. For the halter top, $38. For something, if I love the way it looks on me, I'll for sure keep it, but upon initial glance, I'm not sure. Oh, the pants. So these bad boys right here, the ones that I have a feeling are going to be too big, these are $58. Same thing with the blazer. If these are a pair of pants that I put on and I'm like, oh no, I really like the way these look, I'm going to wear these all the time. I don't mind paying a little bit more for an item like that. $58 though, that is a bit up there. But I wear work clothes 5 days out of the week, so I do like investing in good pieces. Finally, the last shirt. This is the least expensive thing in the box. The West Key tie detail knit top is $36. So the total price of my entire box is $268. If I bought everything, I would get a discount of $67 because I get that 25% off. So my total would jump down to $201, and my styling fee gets applied to it. I do have some credit for people using my code. Thank you so much to everybody who's used my code. I hope that you found some things that you love in your boxes. So far, I've really enjoyed Stitch Fix so much. I mean, my first 2 boxes were blown out of the world. I absolutely, again, love everything that I've kept from them. This is the first one that I'm a little iffy on. I did make a request for the first time, so they tried to, you know, keep with my request, and we'll see. I mean, they followed along with what I asked. I just maybe should have just left it in their hands, because that seemed to have been going really well for me. So now that we know all of the prices, I'm gonna try everything on and show you what it looks like, and then we can judge together what we think. And then I'll come back at you with final thoughts.
Hey, how are those shorts feeling?
I don't know. I don't think I like that you can like see
the pockets.
The pockets. Like, hi, there are my hands. Oh, look, yep, well, there are fake pockets right there. These are $68.
Oh.
They're from Liverpool, the same ones that you...
Yeah.
It sucks. I wanted to like these. I mean, I like how they sit up here, but I just don't think... And I like the color a lot, but no, not for $68. Not even for like $5. Because I don't want to wear it. Like, what's going on back here? Do you see that?
Yeah, it looks bad. I mean, some of it's like just the crinkle from it being shipped, but
I'd have to...
But those fake pockets, like, you can see in the back.
Well, in here. Yeah. What is that?
That's bad.
That's bad. Okay.
Next item. Oh, the camera does not like these.
Oh, wait, there are pockets.
It's just like... Wah, 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 wah.
Oh my god, these look... I hadn't even fully finished the outfit.
Clearly, Jocelyn's not impressed with these pants. Okay, well, maybe get some other work pants and try on the blazer, which you are excited about.
Yeah, good idea.
Here we go. All right, now that we've got some normal jeans on, wow. That's going on real comfortably.
Yeah, it is.
It looks silky smooth.
I never owned a blazer, so I don't really know how they're supposed to fit. There's a full pocket over here, but it's sewed up on this side. Why? Why do they do that? Why do they do that? They give you a pocket. I don't understand. Does somebody know the answer to that? I want a full pocket because it's there. I can feel it, but I do like this.
Take another couple steps back. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks comfy.
It is comfy. I asked for shorter sleeves, so this is not, you know, full length. Under. Yeah, I think.
Look at the stripes and the stripes.
Yeah, that might not.
Yeah. You got crinkles and straights.
Chevron.
That looks good with it rolled like that.
Yeah, I would just.
That cuff adds a lot of flair.
Okay, I am pleased with this. I do like this.
Yay!
Yay!
Alright, what's left? The 2 summer tops?
The 2 tops, yep.
Alright, well, we're gonna try those on.
I kinda like this a lot. And this is, I can wear this to work.
Perfect.
Absolutely. And there's blue in this top.
Okay, maybe.
Ooh, the stripes might not. Might have to roll those back down. Oh, who is she? Profesh.
With one pocket.
Hi. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna pull that string out. I think this looks really good.
That looks nice.
Right?
You look like you're ready to go to a conference.
Maybe I need to like tuck in my ducktail.
Do the back tuck? Yeah.
You can't really.
That might work.
Peekaboo! I like this.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is good. I could definitely use this.
Cat. Felix. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, next shirt.
Usually I wouldn't have a bra like this on. I'd have a strapless or something, but I don't know, it covers it pretty well. I don't know. What do you think?
I mean, I really like green, so I like it. Green's a good color on you.
Yeah, I like that it's not like one length. It
tapers
down.
It definitely looks like a nice summer shirt. You might just throw that over your bathing suit.
I think this says 36 or 38. And I'm not keeping everything for sure.
Yeah, so
I wouldn't get any.
The discount. All right, well, you're just gonna have to decide on that.
Yeah, and that's everything, right?
Yep.
All right, so I guess I'm gonna make some decisions and then kind of let you know my final thoughts. Thank you to Alex for coming to step in and help me make some decisions, film a little bit.
Yep.
Works better this way, I think, than just having it stationary.
Way better.
Than me trying to like. All right, you might be able to hear Alex. He just got in the shower and is playing some music, so you might be able to hear him a little bit in the background. Please disregard. I am here with some final thoughts. I, for the first time, am actually fully sending some stuff back. I might just leave it in the hands of the stylist. They reviewed my profile and seemed to know exactly what I wanted. So I don't know if I'll be making recommendations in the future. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But I am gonna be sending these 3 items back. I do have the pants, the shorts, and I think this green top. Alex and I both talked about it, and although it looked good on me, it's not really my style. I don't like really busy patterns in my clothes. I mean, this is about as busy as I like it typically, or big floral watercolor type patterns like what was in my last box. I also have this sitting on the bed right now. This is also something that I got in my last box, which is a cami with buttons down the front and it has little wildflowers on it. I really love this, but it just isn't totally my cup of tea, which is fine. I'm not going to be spending as much this time around, which again is okay. You're gonna get some boxes that are 5 out of 5. You're gonna get some boxes that you find just a couple treasures out of. So didn't really love the shirt. The shorts, they were comfortable and I like the way they fit, but I didn't really like the structure of them. As you saw, the pockets were super visible. Didn't really love that, and for $68, I think that I'm safe to send them back. These pants, although I would like to have some pants that are a style like this, where it does look very busy, but paired with a neutral or a solid color top, could look very cool in the workplace, but the actual fit of these pants was nowhere near good for me. So those are also gonna go back, which is fine. This top, we did decide, I decided that I am going to keep. I am still, I mean, I was a little iffy on the pattern. Again, it is very busy, which isn't typically my style. However, it's definitely not the worst thing ever, and I don't absolutely hate it. Hello, Felix. I just really, really love the fit and the style of this, and this is 100% something that I could comfortably wear to work, and I think it's gonna fit really well into my wardrobe as a work item. But even with shorts on, it also, we found, looks really good. So I'm okay buying this one. This is the cheapest item, I think, in the box, which was $36. Yeah, $36. But I do need more tops to wear to work for the summertime, so this is actually very perfect. And then the item that I was most excited about anyways, that fortunately did end up working out, the blazer, the blue blazer with the striped insides right there. I really, really like this. This is one of the top 2 most expensive things, but I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this. I can wear it during the summer, the spring, the fall, the winter. I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, and I'm really excited, especially once I figure out how to fully open up this pocket, which, again, if you know why they do this, please let me know, because I don't know. But I'm really excited to keep this. So I am gonna be buying these 2 things. I won't get any % off because I'm not buying the whole box, but that's okay. I'm really excited about these, and again, I'm spending less this month than I have in months previous, so I feel like that's a win. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, again, I will leave a referral link below. Your first box could be risk-free using anybody's referral link, because you get that $25 off referral discount. And then I also, again, get $25 off, so thank you so much to anybody who used my code or uses my code in the future. I do appreciate it greatly, because it allows me to continue getting Stitch Fix and sharing my thoughts and my boxes with you. I think that's everything I have for you today. If you liked this unboxing, if you like my channel, you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to support my channel, if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe before you go. All buttons are down below. And I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.